Welcome guys. If you are new on this channel, we help beginners master the art of graphic design. So this is our fourth lesson, which is the typography. So this lesson will be broken down into three, which is the envelope distort, the type on a part, either vertical or horizontal, then the touch type tool. Let's get on it. So we move on to the toolbar. We select the ellipse tool, then using shift and alt we create our perfect circle. Now once we are done, we move to the eraser tool, then we dissect it into two parts. So now if we want to envelope a text in it, which we are going to do now, we just use a text. So let me use, in this case, boss trees. Then let's use 400 points. Once we are done, we right click and move to the arrange, then send to back. Then here's where the magic begins. We press the shift key and select the top part of the ellipse, move to the object ribbon, move to the envelope distort, then press make with top object. So that's when we get this beautiful piece. So now moving on to the second lesson, which is the type on part. Now we have to do it no fill, then the stroke should be on 1 point, then move to the toolbars, type on part, the type, triple click it. Now let's change the size to 100. So if you want to flip it, all you have to do is duplicate it by pressing the alt. So now then move to the type ribbon, type on part options, then flip. Now let's center it, and so we are going to center it. So you see it's not really straight, so with the first one also we have to center it. So we are done. Let's try the vertical type on a tool using the same strategy, but people rarely use the vertical. People rarely use it, but it's also interesting. Let's try the touch type tool. The touch type tool. So that's the last on it. So you just left click on it. Let's bring it down. Left click. That's basically that. We have our effects. So we are done. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any more questions, drop it under the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to Drake Solution